Hi everyone, it's me Maria, and in this video guys we're going to talk about, and I'm gonna show you guys how we can use this app inside of Canva, what they call Canva Live. This is my first time that I'm going to use this Canva Live, so I'm going to show you guys how it works and how to do it and how to use it, and let's see how powerful these tools to engage into our viewers and audience. So whether you are teaching or you are doing some presentations or presenting teams, so this Canva Lives makes it easy for us to engage to our audience and viewers. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to Canva and let's do this. Alright guys, so now we are here in Canva, and I'm going to show you guys where you can find the Canva Live and how you can open it inside of Canva. So first here, as you see, we're on the Canva homepage, and we're going to click the presentation, since we're going to present or do some presentations live inside of Canva. So here you will just gonna go there here, and then presentation, you see this one, then just click this one. So here is the presentation. Since I don't have any, I'm gonna grab something like let's say, hold on, I'm going to grab something here. Alright, so guys, for example, I'm going to do some presentation about these two cats as you see on my screen. So what we're gonna do here is, over here guys, you see this one, the present. You can just click this one if it is already popping up on the right top of your computer, or if you cannot see the present mode, you go to the share and then scroll down here, and then you will see here guys, present, and then you will see here guys, the present. Alright, so just click this one and it will give you some options or choice. How do you want to present your presentation? You want to present with full screen? Do you want to present in a presenter view, or you want to present and record? So you want to record while you were doing presentations, or while you're doing your trainings or workshops, then you can choose which one of these that you want to do. So for example, I'm gonna do this one, present the full screen. Just click this one and then click the present. All right, so now here is the full presentation if you click the full screen. So if you want to just go down here, and you will see the zoom in out here, you can use this one. You can draw on a page if you want, just click this one. So here are the pens that you want to use. So for example, you want to use this, and then you want to say something like, say if you want to write something like hello, you can do this, just writing whatever you wanted to write in here. So here that you can use. Okay, so, or if you want to try the magic shortcuts, then you can also do these magic shortcuts. Like for example, you want to do some bubbles, you see the bubbles is coming up when you're doing your presentation. So it's all up to you guys. All right, so over here also, okay, I'm gonna click this one, and then here, if you want to interact with your audience or viewers, just click this one, and you will see there is interaction here that the Canva Live can use this space for interaction. Like if there is a question and answer, or if there's a question of your viewers that they want to ask, then you can start the new session here. But if you want to do this, what you're gonna do is just to start the new session, and then there you go, it will get you will need to scan this code, or you can visit to Canva Live, and then you're going to enter this code. All right, so I'm gonna get my phone, and we're going to try if I can scan this, and let's see what's going to pop up inside of my phone. All right, so for example here, okay, so now here is my phone, and I'm going to scan the QR code. Okay, I'm going to scan the QR code. Okay, so now after you scan the QR code, okay, and now you're going to see this one. So it is the same like you will see when you were live. And as you see here in my computer, we're already on live. So we're still live. Nobody's watching. I don't know if somebody's watching, but just playing with this. And then you will see here. So here you can now write your questions here. So like for example, I'm going to you see the bar there. So let's say hello, okay, my name is Maria. All right, and then after that, I'm going to I type something here on the bar, and then I'm just going to send it. And now you will see here on my screen, it's hello, my name is Maria. And you see here is anonymous because I didn't put my name. So if you want to appear which is not anonymous, so you can just type your name here. All right, and then if you want to display it bigger, then you just click these three dots, and then you're gonna see the big message or the message. If you want to delete this, and then just delete this. All right, so here is the questions that you can see to your viewers, and you can engage with them. All right, so now let's end this session, and then I'm gonna show you guys. So here also invite, and if you want to invite something, just click this one and ask your audience to visit the Canva Live on their device and enter the code, this code. You see this code here? There is a code here, the X6RD VYRH, to participate into this live. So if you have any friends that you want them to join into this live, all you're gonna do is just to invite them and send this code, and then they can now participate into this live. So if you want to end this live, then you just end the session just like that. All right, so that is how you can use this Canva Live present in a full screen. So let's say presenter view. Okay, let's try this one. I don't know this presenter view. This is my first time, so I'm just playing around with these guys and showing you that here now in Canva you can go live by we have a lot of options to do this. All right, so now let's try the presenter view. So we're done with the present full screen. So if you want to present your full screen, then you can do this, and then you see at the bottom you can just play around with those icons. So let's do the presenter view. Presenter view, view your notes and upcoming slides. Okay, so we're going to present this one. All right, so now here are the notes that you want to add while you're presenting or while you're doing your workshop or something. You can add any kind of, if you have a notes that you want to write it down here so you don't forget, then here on this side you can add your notes to your design. Okay, so click the Canva Live, and then we're going to start a new session. Okay, so now we're on live again, and then what you're gonna do is just to see, you see the timer here, you see the time here. So we're already on live, and I'm presenting these two cats here, which is here at the bottom. So if I still have a lot of slides to present, I think there are 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth here, but I already have one slides here, so this is the only slides that you get. All right, so you're live. Ask your audience to visit Canva Live, then copy the invitation, and then they can come and join to our live. All right, so we're going to end this session again. Okay, let's go back and let's see. Okay, enter the full. Oh, sorry. All right, so let's get the last one. So the present and also record. So once we use this one, we are recording at the same time of our presentation, like you see this one. Okay, so I'm gonna click next and go to recording studio. All right, so now as you see my hello, now you see my face there, and then when I click the turn on reactions. Okay, all right, so now if I click this start recording, okay, make sure that your microphone is working. As you see here, my FaceTime, I'm using this FaceTime camera, so you can use any camera or whatever you want, just connect it to your computer and then start now recording. Now we're one. All right, so now we're on the recording. As you see, my screen is recording. If you want to end up the recording, just click this one, and if you want to post your recording, just post this one. So you will see me here on the left side here that I am recording this training, this workshop or webinar or whatever you are doing into your presentations. So you can choose a lot of options that you want to do in your Canva Live when you want to use Canva Live for your presentations. All right, so for example, we're done of the recording, I'm done with my presentation. So I'm going to end this, and then, like, for example, I'm done with this workshop. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining to this workshop, and I hope to see you next time. All right, see you. Then you're going to end this recording, and then your recording is going to upload. So as you see, it's uploading your recording. So it just take a little while, or a seconds, or 1 minute. So if you want to cancel it, then cancel it. If you want to discard that, then discard it. So your recording is ready. You can now download it, you can save and exit, and then you can now just discard it. Okay, so this is how you can use the Canva Live inside of Canva. Okay, so I just save this one and exit. So now you want to download this, so you can just download this here or delete the recording. So it's all up to you guys which one you want to use. All right, so that's all for today guys. That's the short presentation that I want to show you guys inside of Canva. So you play around with this. This is my first time that I opened this up, and I've never used this. So since I'm playing with this, I want to show you guys how you can, use the Canva apps, and where you can find it, and a lot of options that you can use, whatever style that you want inside of your Canva Live apps. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial. But before else guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this tutorial for those who don't know yet about this Canva Live. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for supporting me all the time, for watching all my videos. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.